good day for boating.
This is a bridge. No, this is the Bob Hole Pier, guys. It's still not fixed. That's a pier over there, guys. So yeah.
So you want to go down?
Yeah, close to the bathroom. I like to put up my canopy close to the bathroom, guys.
You want to go down to Packery Channel?
Yep. To the Whitecap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dad.
Really?
Hey, the sand is kind of intact, right? It's not loose.
The
Right
what?
there. The sand.
This is hard packed
Hard.
sand.
Yeah, it's packed today. Sometimes when it's hot and sunny, the sand's
Sometimes
loose.
it's soft, sometimes it's
Yeah.
hard.
Today's a bit hard, so unclean. Nice and clean.
Yeah, but still, this.
And the wave is not that bad. It looks clear too, guys.
What?
Nothing. It is high
Except
tide.
side,
It is high tide.
it's cloudy though. It'll clear up sometime.
Yeah. Can we just set up in an open gap?
Oh, what?
No, we're gonna go down to the to where the bathrooms are. Mama can go to the bathrooms and stuff.
You can just
It's
use
all
the-
recorded.
You can just
Did you?
use the ocean.
Mama.
We are entering the Whitecap beach. This is one of our favorite beach
This
to
is the
go
only
to.
one you always go to.
That
Because he got toilets. He has Denny's.
he has done this. But I like this beach, guys, because of the sand.
And the Denny's.
And that is his
And
dad.
the dead.
Your truck wiggles so much, Daddy. Look.
Because you're going over bumps.
And I
Here's
need
the
problem-
Whitecap. Welcome to Whitecap Beach, guys. We're gonna find a spot. This? Oh, I like going over there, close to the dunny. Look at they're ready for volleyball over there. And the sand is still intact and stuff. Yeah.
We
And
gotta
there's
get
the
one.
Denny's.
And there's the dunny over there.
No, they're gone.
What?
I guess you had to go in the bathroom.
On the water?
Alright, let's stop
It's
here.
okay. Let's just do it here. Let's just park right here. Are we still going crabbing?
Nope. I
We
mean,
have
you
park
can
right
borrow
here.
Dad's net.
I think it's going up, Daddy, huh? The water?
That's why they
Yeah,
call it high
let's
tide.
stay up a little bit up here. Okay, guys, we have arrived at Whitecap Beach. And the water's calm right now. It's not as wavy. So, welcome to Whitecap Beach. Am I over? I think you're too close, Daddy.
Can I take my flip-flops off?
You can take your flip-flops off. There's my two company over there. We're checking out before we put up our canopies. Make sure we are in a little bit higher ground, so we won't get flooded when the high tide come up. So the water's calmer today. It looks okay. So we're gonna try to look for sundial shells. What you found?
Just a shell.
Okay.
And isn't the...
What you find, Daddy? $10?
Shark tooth.
Oh, what?
50 cents.
50 cents. That's
Yep, that's 50 cents.
looking for sundial, some shells. He's trying out. Pretty, guys, right? I would like to share with you this beautiful weather today. It was raining a while ago on the way here, but it stopped. Probably fish over there because I saw birds on the far end. So, and I see a few clouds, so you think it's gonna rain later on? Maybe. Say hi to viewers, Daddy. Hi viewers. Daddy. Hi viewers. Now I can see better. Sharing the beautiful day in the whole wide world. I know you don't like me singing, but so we're gonna go to try put up our canopy, guys. Get ready for swimming day, and the water's not cold. I'll show you. See the water? It's kind of clear, and it's not cold at all. What? We're gonna take that home. The water's not cold. Nice and clear, right? You can see your toes. Are you going to help us to put up the canopy?
Oh my goodness, it has a white texture.
Rain or shine, we're doing our beach trip. Yeah, right there. Yeah, this canopy is a lot bigger than the other one. A lot bigger. Uh-oh. It's broken too? At least the wind's not blowing hard right now. Oh yeah, it's taking it down. Okay, now you have room? Me? Or say hello. Hello, hello. They're by themselves out there, guys. Yeah. Just having a good day. She's wearing a life vest for safety. Even though wind is not blowing hard or there's no wind at all. It's just an overcast, a little cloudy weather. And maybe later on this place will be crowded. But right now it's just a few of us here. The sun's up. Our canopy is up. And guys, thank you for watching and thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and shout out to those who share my vlogs. Junilin, Tita Kuni, and Auntie Nella. Thank you guys for being very supportive on my vlogs and sharing and liking it, and stay tuned for more. It's a pretty day today. Bye. Thank you.